For smooth blur text animation, first select the type tool and type your text and do specific adjustments. Go to Effects panel, search for Transform, drag it onto your text layer. Again go to Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur and drag it onto the same text layer. Now in Effect Controls under Transform, add a position keyframe at the start. Set the value to 620. Move 10 frames forward and reset the value to 540. Now under Gaussian Blur, add a keyframe at the start and set the value to 6. Move 5 frames forward and set it to 0. Now again under Transform, add an opacity keyframe at the start and set it to 0. Move 5 frames forward and set it to 100. Now select the position and opacity keyframe. Right click and choose ease in and ease out. Open the position graph from here, grab the right handle and stretch it fully to the left. Do the same for opacity graph. Now word by word blur animation, go to Effects panel and search for crop. Drag it onto your text layer. Duplicate the text layer based on how many words you have. For example, if you have 3 words, duplicate the layer 2 more times. For the first layer, use crop, so only the first word is visible. For the second layer, click on crop and crop it so the second word is visible. Do the same for third layer. Now keep the playhead at the start. Move 3 frames forward and adjust the second text layer. Move 3 frames forward again and adjust the third text layer. And that's it. Your smooth blur text animation is ready.